Here is everything you need to know about how to bypass VPN block. First, you're not going to find success with a free VPN. Their servers are the first ones to get blocked by sites and network firewalls. If you want VPN suggestions that will actually work, well, check the links below. Now, the simplest solution on how to bypass VPN block is actually the basics of how to use a VPN. Just switch to a different server. It helps if your VPN has a lot of servers, like Proton, so you'll always find one that works. You can also try switching to different VPN protocols in settings, but if you're dealing with more annoying restrictions, regular protocols won't do much. For an undetectable VPN, you need traffic obfuscation. If you pick NordVPN, you'll see specialized obfuscated servers. These disguise a VPN connection as regular internet traffic. Plus, NordVPN can enhance this with its NordWhisper protocol, designed to bypass local network restrictions. Meanwhile, ProtonVPN has the stealth protocol designed to bypass government censorship. And Surfshark has the NoBorders mode for the same purpose, along with built-in traffic obfuscation when using the OpenVPN protocol. There's also another option which involves learning how to set up a VPN with a dedicated IP. It's going to cost extra, but a dedicated IP address will be unique to you, making it much less likely to be blacklisted as a known VPN IP. NordVPN and Surfshark have this as an optional add-on to all VPN plans. I also want to make sure you understand that with a proper VPN, you'll do more than just learn how to make VPN undetectable. NordVPN, for example, has an amazing ad blocker which can also scan your downloads for malware. Meanwhile, Surfshark can be purchased with a full-on antivirus added to the plan. And ProtonVPN is a privacy powerhouse with hardcore anonymity features like integration with the Tor network. If you want to try one of the best VPN options, the links in the description will give you some exclusive discounts so that you don't miss out. Now, go enjoy the internet without all the stupid restrictions. Cheers.